My
John,
question to you,
John,
director
this
साहब, yeah, my question to you is, अभी हाल ही में पुलवामा जो इंसिडेंट हुआ है, आप अपनी फिल्म के जरिए पब्लिक को कैसे टेम्प्ट करेंगे या किस आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे आपकी फिल्म के जरिए?
Sorry, whose question was tempt? Tempt किसने कहा? No, you have to be very careful with the way you ask questions. You have a responsibility. No. I don't agree with the way you've asked this question. So, yeah. So you have to apologize to everybody. Next question.
My question to you,
John,
director
this
साहब, yeah, my question to you is, अभी हाल ही में पुलवामा जो इंसिडेंट हुआ है, आप अपनी फिल्म के जरिए पब्लिक को कैसे टेम्प्ट करेंगे या किस आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे आपकी फिल्म के जरिए?
जी पब्लिक को अटेम्प्ट तो बिल्कुल नहीं कुछ करेंगे. द फिल्म इज अबाउट बीइंग प्राउड एज एन इंडियन, फीलिंग प्राउड. हमारा अटेम्प्ट यही है. इट्स वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट पुलवामा में जो हुआ, बट सिंपल हमारा मैसेज है फिल्म में कि जो गर्व होता है हिंदुस्तानी होने में, हम वो दिखा रहे हैं फिल्म में. सो दैट्स द इमोशन, दैट्स द मेन इमोशन दैट वी रन इन द फिल्म. और पुलवामा से मैं कनेक्ट नहीं करना चाहूँगा. बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट है जो हुआ. तो जैसे जॉन ने पहले बोला, हमने ये सोच के नहीं बनाई थी कि ऐसा मूड होगा और हम उसको इनकैश करेंगे. दैट्स बीइंग वेरी अपॉर्चुनिस्ट. वो नहीं है. हमारा रिलीज पहले से प्लान था. बीन वर्किंग फॉर ईयर एंड हाफ ऑन द फिल्म. सो द मैसेज इज वेरी सिंपल. आई मीन द प्राइड दैट वन फील्स बीइंग एन इंडियन, दैट्स द प्राइड आई वांट टू शो इन द फिल्म.
John, you're playing.
Sorry, whose question was tempt? Tempt किसने कहा? No, you have to be very careful with the way you ask questions. You have a responsibility.
And Moni, towards your right, Ravi from ABP News. मैंने ये सवाल सिकंदर से मिलन टॉकीज के ट्रेलर लॉन्च के दौरान पूछा था. जॉन और मौनी से जानना चाहूँगा, पुलवामा में जो घटना 20 दिन पहले हुई थी 14 फरवरी को, उसके बाद जो देश में माहौल बना है और जिस तरह से चेस्ट थम्पिंग हो रही है, वॉर मॉन्गरिंग हो रही है, वॉर करने के लिए कहा जा रहा है पाकिस्तान से, एक ही बार में निपटारा करने की बातें, और जिस तरह का माहौल बनाया जा रहा है पूरे देश में, इस बारे में आप लोग क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे और ये पूरी घटना के बारे में आप क्या कहेंगे?
जी, पहले तो जो हुआ वो नहीं होना चाहिए था. लेट मी स्टार्ट विद दैट. बट हैविंग सेड दैट, आई डोंट थिंक वी as natives of any country, nobody wants war, you know. It's not just one side that gets affected. It's both the countries that would have to go through a lot of loss. And no, if you ask me personally, I don't want war, and I don't think anybody wants war. But I don't know. I'm not equipped to say what politically in the country what must happen. But what happened in Pulwama was absolutely wrong. And I that is what that I have to say.
So I think there has to be war against terror, not against a country or against a religion or against religions or between religions. So I'm very clear in my outlook, and I'm probably, and I get picked up for it, I'm not one of the actors who's going to sit on the fence and say, nahi yaar, ye audience ko acha lagega, usko bura lagega. I'm saying things as they are, that I think there has to be war on terror. You have to nip the rose in the bud. It has to be over and done with. But that doesn't mean you have to fight with another country. Or that doesn't mean you have to stereotype people. Simple. And the problem that's happening today across the world is we're getting polarized. We're stereotyping people. And that's probably the most dangerous sign. That should not happen. So, but that's the way the world is functioning today. And we've got to live in this world today. So.
And we don't learn. No matter what happens, we don't learn. So.
John, they are considered role models in society. What are your views on that, taking it further? Do you feel actors and stars and film stars are obligated to make a political commentary happening in the country?
Yeah, if they're politically aware, and I think Kangana definitely is, and she's got a voice, and I think you must take a stand if you're politically aware. But you shouldn't be, like I say, stupidly talented. You know what I'm saying? You cannot be an idiot who doesn't know anything about which country lies where, what's happening in. If you don't know what's happening in Bihar to Syria, then you should just shut up and smile and show your mug that you've done so much work on. Don't talk, right? So I think unless you're aware about what's happening, then only make a statement. If you're not aware, don't make a statement. I think everybody here sitting who's made this film, on this bench here, everybody is, in my view, and I've spoken to everyone here, we're all very politically aware. we understand what's happening. Of course, Kashmir में हमने काफी shoot करा है इस film को, so we know what is happening there, and we know what the grassroots and the ground root problems are there. So we understand what's really happening there. So when you know a situation, you can make a statement. But again, making a statement at the right time is important. Not making a statement for effect. Not making a statement to trend. So I am not in the business of trending. I don't want to trend. It's good to show a good film, educate your audience, and let's move on with life.
Thank you.
John,
John.
thank you so much. Thank you so. Okay, one last question. एक सवाल, लास्ट सवाल.
Yes, definitely. I think he's a true hero of the country. And like I said, we are real life heroes. He's a real life hero, and we salute him.
Thank you so much, everyone. 5th of April, Romeo Akbar Walter releases. Photos.
Mr. Ravi, hello.
प्रश्न आपसे ये
Can you repeat the question?
हेलो हाँ ये इस तरीके की बहुत सारी फिल्में सालों साल आती हैं और अच्छी भी होती हैं, लेकिन ये फिल्म बाकी सभी फिल्मों से कितनी अलग है और आपको इसे करने में कितनी मुश्किलें आई?
नहीं, अलग है इसलिए मैंने की ये फिल्म. तो
इसमें
नहीं,
क्या
I'm answering your
challenging
question क्योंकि अलग है. And I think it's a very compelling script. बहुत ही interesting script था ये. And when I heard it the first time only, I wanted to do it. So that's why I'm very excited. मैं ज़्यादा excited हूँ कि आप लोग भी देखें इसको. And you all will understand where we are coming from. It's a very, very special film. रॉबी ने जो रिसर्च की इस फिल्म पे is absolutely commendable और बहुत ही credible research. और आज के तारीख में रिसर्च बिना अगर आप इतने सेंसिटिव टॉपिक पे आप फिल्म बना रहे हो, there's a big sense of responsibility on you. So you have to be very sure about what you're talking about. So it's a fantastic film, very different. Please watch it.
And John. Hello.
जैसे हमने पहले भी कहा था कि we didn't plan this film around what has happened today. ये काफ़ी टाइम से हम लोग प्लानिंग कर रहे थे. Unfortunately, these incidents have happened. और मेरे हिसाब से I think this is the right time for a film like this to be shown to India. नहीं, वैसे तो काफ़ी प्रोड्यूसर्स कुछ ना कुछ तो करेंगे इसके बारे में. एंड
ऑलरेडी आ चुका है आज पेपरों में जो बना रहे हैं.
अच्छा
हाँ, बंसाली जी और वो सब कर रहे हैं ना आज पेपर.
अच्छा कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, पूरा लिस्ट आ गया ऑलरेडी. लिस्ट आ गया. दे ऑल कम टुगेदर.
सिकंदर साहब.
जॉन
काफी हैं. तीन चार लोगों ने आज पहली बार मिले हैं शायद, वो भी साथ में बनाने.
No, I don't think so. I don't think that's you can generalize, and I'm not going to generalize like that. क्योंकि I think there's a place for all kinds of films. Total धमाल भी चली है, for example. So I think there's a place for all kinds of films. और हर एक फिल्म को हमें respect देना चाहिए. हर एक फिल्म के लिए एक space होता है, एक audience होती है. So I think this is our film. We have made it with a lot of pride, and it doesn't mean that if we made one film on history, we'll make all films on history. But yes, अगर आप पूछोगे does history excite me as a person and the team here? Yes, it does. क्योंकि if you see what I've done in the past also, it has to do something with the history, and I enjoy that space.
John, hi,
Ravi,
towards your
Mr.
right. John, hi.
This is Priyanka. Hi, John. This is Priyanka from Indian Express. John, there's a surge in the number of films that are made on patriotism or the nationalistic sentiment in the last 5 years. Do you think that it's also because that the sentiment in the country is such that Bollywood is also looking to, cash in on that emotion and turn out such films?
Why cash in? High time, no? Sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, go, John.
Mr. John,
John, your opinion.
No, I think I think the sentiment in the country is today there's a sense of feeling proud to be Indian. And I think, like they say, this is the new India. And if you make films on this, let's look at Hollywood. If Hollywood makes fantastic war films and they glorify their soldiers, why can't we? So I think it's a great time for India. It's a great time for us, and it's a great time for the audience. And it's studios like Kaita, VA Films, Red Ice, and of course Viacom. They're backing us. It shows their faith in this kind of content, and we'd be happy to project things that are different and enjoyable for the audience.
Mr. Rovi,
John, you're playing a raw agent. Yeah. John, yeah. Lipika here. Idhar. Okay, you're playing
I
a
can't
raw.
miss you even in your silhouette. So.
You're playing a raw agent. Ravindra Kaushik. I want to know the role. 1 minute. I want to know what character. And are you guys also depicting that this war was a mind game of Manik Shah? And we won because of his mind game in 13 days. Though we were not well equipped with our soldiers. Or are you depicting that also?
Can I answer this question? Because I work on
And
Robbie,
the role,
you should.
let John elaborate on his role.
So I'll
Yeah.
sorry, pardon me, but let me begin by what I have to
Yeah,
say
yeah.
because it began
Thank
from my
you.
head, from my research. So then John can continue post my point. So see, this is not Ravindra Kaushik's story. Period. What you read on when you Google and figure out, you see just the tip of the iceberg. About 5 people on Google. I've researched on the spies, guys who go the other side for years. I mean, aap logon ko genuinely, nothing to undermine everyone. There's so much more to it which nobody knows about. So this is based on true events, जो 71 में हुआ. It's not based on anybody's life specifically. And second point जो आपका है, the war forms a backdrop of a story. It is a story of a spy who goes the other side. So war is the backdrop, like I said. It is not about the war. It doesn't. It's not a war film, like I said. It's a story of a spy. वहाँ जाता है, क्या होता है, what he undergoes, and what happens to him by the end of the film. That's the film. So yeah, a great man like Sam Manekshaw doesn't figure in the narrative of my story. I mean, there's another film being made on him, which is fantastic. I think he's one of the pioneers that we've had in our country, an Indian general, the best that across the world, across the globe. So, but this film is not about him.
John, I have a question on your right. On your right, this is Sakshi from Bollywood now. I want to ask कि जब भी ऐसी फिल्म्स बनती है तो जिंगोइज्म कहीं ना कहीं होता है. तो ये फिल्म में आप एक पेट्रियट की तरह डिपिक्ट कर रहे हैं स्टोरी या एक ऑब्जेक्टिव इंसान की तरह? I'm asking about like how the film is made, from what perspective?
Your question is very confusing and difficult.
Being a patriot is being objective, no?
No, I mean there's like jingoism. Like at the end, even they are doing their job and so are we. But in movies like these, sometimes it happens that the other side is shown as like the bad guy, and I'm sure in their films also it's the same case with us. So like Razi dealt with it like from an objective perspective.
For that you should watch the film. Now why should we give so much away?
John, sir, on your left.
Yeah, but just to answer a bit of the question, I think, and I give credit to Robbie here, he comes from an army family, and he's very responsible with the way he's told the story. And like you said, to answer your question, it's a very objective film. No one's bad or good in this. It's just how you look at things. So we're not depicting any other side as the bad side. It's a story of the spy who goes across. So, but again, it's a very different story from Razi. It's a very different story from many of the other. It's a very different story from Parmanu, for example, or it's a very different story from many of the other stories you've seen. So you can't compare it to what we've seen in the past, which is why I was also excited to be a part of it. But to answer your question, it's not jingoistic. It's not that typical flag saluting film. It is very different, and that's why we're proud to be associated with it.
Okay. Johnson
Also,
on your left.
Moni-
Johnson on your
Moni-
left. Johnson on your
Moni,
left.
how
So
was the actor and Sikand?
यहाँ पे. Okay.
John.
So John, so yeah, मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि first of all congratulations for the fantastic trailer. मेरा सवाल आपसे, we always saw you on screen playing larger than life character, but this time we are seeing that your character is not only hardcore action packed, but it also has a layers of emotion and drama. So has this role? Can you just elaborate? Has this role took a toll on you? What do you want to say about? There are many instances that we saw in trailer.
Yeah, so very honestly, from when I started my career off to where I am today, I think, and I would want to believe that I have graduated as an actor also. I'm learning every day from everybody. And I think, yes, this film has taken a lot out of me, but positively. And I think it shows in the film. It's beautiful. It's the whole process that he goes through, the emotions he goes through, has come across beautifully in the film. And I think, like I said, you're only as good or bad as your director makes you, and my directors made something really special from what I've seen, which is why I'm proudly sitting here, and I'm actually playing on the front foot, and I'm saying it is a fantastic film, and it's really, really well made. And as an actor, I feel very proud that if I have to spearhead my showreel, I'd spearhead my showreel with Romeo Akbar Walter today.
Moni,
Hi, John.
Moni, how
Hi,
was the
John.
experience working with the John sir, and can you tell about your character?
Hi, John.
No, I'm not telling you anything about my character. Please, leave something for the film. But it is what it is. What you see in the trailer, we've said a lot in the trailer. It's about 1971. All I can tell you here, and please take my word for this, it is extremely well researched. So there is nothing that's even remotely untrue or irresponsible in this film. So when you see it, you're definitely going to be entertained, but you're going to walk out learning a lot about what really happened in 1971, and that's what this film's about.
John, towards your right. John.
I think before I did these few films, people said I was very comfortable in action. So I think it's what you project. Inside me, the fact is that my team knows that I'm a very big India lover, and somewhere I attract scripts like this. So when you really love your country, you will attract stories like this. So I think this story happened for me the first time Robbie narrated it to me. I still remember this cap. He came in, good-looking, smart guy, walked in, and he narrated like, "Ye karega, nahi karega, chhodna yaar, suna deta hu main." But when I heard it, I was blown by the story. I was like, wow. I said, today's date and age, this is the kind of film you must make. And when Moni came and met me for the first time, she said, I just want to be a part of this film because of the story. Itni interesting story hai, I just want to be a part of this. So I think it's very important to make good stories. So talking about your patriotic angle, if tomorrow there's a great patriotic film, I would love to do it. But I would not like to do like Madam Bollywood something said, right? That I would not like to do jingoistic films. I'm not anti any other country. I'm not anti any other religion. Very important. And I'm very pro-secular. And I'd like to make films that reflect the true nature of this country. Yeah?
Hi, John.
Yeah, absolutely.
Hi, John and Moni. This is Ravi.
Yeah, title Robbie.
Hi, so I would like to say about the title. Somebody questioned, like why Romeo Akbar Walter, right? So, yeah. So first, when my husband told me about the script and the story and everything, so I questioned him that why Raw, like what is it going to be like? Raw stands for. So he was thinking, and instantly he came up with these three names, Romeo Akbar Walter, and I was like, wow, really? So he said that yeah, this is going to be there because there are these three characters. So it was like just very instant with this Romeo Akbar Walter title. So it was him. Then he called up Robbie, and he's like, Robbie.
John,
So honestly, we were struggling with the title. I'll be very frank. We were debating, multiple names, theories, and like Vanessa said, Bunty got this fantastic idea in his head. I don't know what drinks or not, but he got this great idea. He called me in the night, so I don't know where it came from. But the moment I heard the title, I told him, fantastic. Let's not discuss it anymore. Get it registered, and
John,
we should
towards
not
your-
waste any time on it.
John and Moni towards your right. Here, Ravi from ABP News. मैंने ये सवाल सिकंदर से मिलन टॉकीज के ट्रेलर लॉन्च के दौरान पूछा था। जॉन और मौनी से जानना चाहूँगा, पुलवामा में जो घटना 20 दिन पहले हुई थी 14 फरवरी को, उसके बाद जो देश में माहौल बना है और जिस तरह से चेस्ट थम्पिंग हो रही है, वॉर मॉन्गरिंग हो रही है, वॉर करने के लिए कहा जा रहा है पाकिस्तान से, एक ही बार में निपटारा करने की बातें, और जिस तरह का माहौल बनाया जा रहा है पूरे देश में, इस बारे में आप लोग क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे और ये पूरी घटना के बारे में आप क्या कहेंगे?
जी, पहले तो जो हुआ वो नहीं होना चाहिए था. लेट मी स्टार्ट विद दैट. बट हैविंग सेड दैट, आई डोंट थिंक वी as natives of any country, nobody wants war, It's not just one side that gets affected. It's both the countries that would have to go through a lot of loss. And no, if you ask me personally, I don't want war, and I don't think anybody wants war. But I don't know. I'm not equipped to say what politically in the country what must happen. But what happened in Pulwama was absolutely wrong. And that is that I have to say.
So I think there has to be war against terror, not against a country or against a religion or against religions or between religions. So I'm very clear in my outlook, and I'm probably, and I get picked up for it, I'm not one of the actors who's going to sit on the fence and say, nahi yaar, ye audience ko acha lagega, usko bura lagega. I'm saying things as they are, that I think there has to be war on terror. You have to nip the rose in the bud. It has to be over and done with. But that doesn't mean you have to fight with another country. Or that doesn't mean you have to stereotype people. Simple. And the problem that's happening today across the world is we're getting polarized. We're stereotyping people. And that's probably the most dangerous sign. That should not happen. So, but that's the way the world is functioning today. And we've got to live in this world today. So
And we don't learn. No matter what happens, we don't learn. So,
John,
Ajit,
John, here. On your right, John. On your left, sorry.
हेलो मौनी मेरा सवाल आपसे है, आपके कैरेक्टर के बारे में जानना चाहूँगा, किस तरह का रहा एक्सपीरियंस जॉन सर के साथ, आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा जॉन सर के साथ एक्सपीरियंस, और आपके कैरेक्टर के बारे में जानना चाहूँगा।
जी
मैं सॉरी, उनको गैग ऑर्डर है कैरेक्टर के बारे में कुछ बात करने में। उनको पहले उनसे मेरे से पूछा कि क्या बोलना है, मैंने कुछ नहीं बोलना आपको, तो ज़्यादा कुछ बता नहीं पाएंगे आपको, क्योंकि
नहीं, मैं ऑफ कोर्स बता सकती हूँ कि मेरा कैरेक्टर, I work in a bank. That's my character. That's the one liner.
Full stop.
John, will the film
कौन
be
सा बैंक
releasing-
मत पूछना.
Okay, last two questions.
John, will the film
कैसा
be
bank?
releasing in Pakistan amidst the tensions that are happening between the country? Many Bollywood films have taken the call of not releasing the film in Pakistan. Will Raw be releasing in
I
Pakistan?
think Ajit's better equipped to answer that question. He's the studio. It's not in my place to answer that question because my producer's here on my right and there's a producer on my left. So I'll leave the difficult questions to them and I'll answer the easy questions.
Not really. I think the first one, let me take that on first. See, we are clearly focused and concerned about the India release first, We haven't really taken a sort of view of what should be done
so far as some of the other external territories are concerned, because this is a very big film, and it's a film which is about India, and it's about this character of an Indian. Whether another country we do release a film or not is, I think, is a very separate decision, which is going to factor in all the context. You know, I think a lot of other activities, whether it's cricket or various other activities today, are all factoring in a much larger context. So I think that's how we'll look at it.
John,
Secondly, yes, I mean, a week postponement or shifting of films, these are all very routine things. What you want to actually look at is what is the best day for you to get your audience in the theaters. And that's really what the shift from a 12th to a 5th is all about, nothing more than that.
John, Justin here from PTI towards your right.
Last question.
Yeah. John, we recently met Kangna, who was of the opinion that actors should take a political stand.